Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, then you have to tap here, go to the settings, and then go to the block numbers. You can block unknown or private numbers. You can also add number by selecting it from your recent calls. You can select number from your contacts, or you can just enter number here, then tap here, and number will be blocked and will no longer call you anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.